Hi, hello, my name is Banu Prakash Manava, and as a part of our data mining final project, we were given to work on test classifier using different machine learning algorithms. Let's get into the project. Initially, we imported all the libraries that are necessary to work on with our project, and then we loaded our data set, this product review data set, and in this data set, we have different IDs, columns like IDs, brands, categories, data added, keys, manufacturers, prices, and everything. But to work on this project, we do not need all these columns. So we drop all the columns that are unnecessary for our data for our project, and we are left up with only reviews.rating, reviews.test, and reviews.title. And we rename these reviews.rating into rating, reviews.test into test, and reviews.title into title, which will be helpful for us and in the upcoming video. And then we found that rating has reviews.rating has so many null values. So we dropped all the null values in all these three features. And then we coming to data pre-processing steps. Uh, Initially, we work on with lowercase words. We converted all the text into a lowercase, and then we removed the white spaces in between. White spaces between the text, and then we removed all the punctuation marks, and then we removed all the HTML tags in between the text, and then we also found that there are many emojis in the text. Uh, so reviews.text. So we removed all these emojis as well, and then we also removed the h- uh, no links in between the text. These are the acronyms. Acronyms are like the short forms of the text. So if we find any short forms in between text, it helps us to get its original form. And these are the contractions. Contractions are like these are the examples of contractions. And ain't, aimed. This can be converted into all right, or not, am not, and are not. And then these are the stopwords. Stopwords will help us to predict the actual values. As we have many stopwords, it will not let us to know the actual performance of the model. So we removed all the stopwords. And then this is the spell checker. Spell checker is nothing but it checks the spellings of the words in the text. And then later we also lemmatize the data uh, using lemmatization function. And then we added the tokens, and we also removed the additional stopwords. If we have any stopwords other than the one we used in the previous, we also removed those two stopwords. And this is the final data we get after pre-processing our data set. And then we drop the ratings from X and keep it in Y uh, to split our data set into train and test cases. After splitting our data set into training and testing, we took a training size as 8 and testing, 80%, and testing size as 20%. And with this training and testing sizes and splitting the data, we implement our algorithms now. First, we implemented KNN. KNN is nothing but a similarity-based algorithm where we find the distance between two vectors and predicts the new vector and classifies the new vector. And in KNN, we put the different hyperparameters like 5, 10, 15. Uh, and at 5, we get the highest accuracy. At 5, the performance is good for this KNN. And this is the classification report. In classification report, we get precision, recall, F1 score, and support. Uh, Precision for rating 1 is 0. In all recall and F1 score is also 0. And we get highest precision at 0.72, highest recall at 0.88. Sorry, highest recall at rating 5, and highest FM score at rating 5. And then coming to Navy bias, this is for Navy bias. Navy bias is mostly a probabilistic algorithm. Uh, this Navy bias mostly works on with Bayes algorithm. Uh, this is one of the best algorithm that is useful to classify that text. And in Navy bias, also we to in also in this Navy bias, uh, we get accuracy of 0.7, and this is the classification report for Navy bias, and this is the confusion matrix for Navy bias. Uh, and this classification report is mainly based on this confusion matrix. And coming to random forest algorithm, it creates individual decision trees and predicts the output. Uh, and we took different estimator values in random forest. Here we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at 5 we have the highest performance for random forest. And this is the classification report for random forest. And this is the confusion matrix for random forest. And SVM support vector machine. Basically, we have two types of classifications in SVM. One is binomial classification, multinomial classification. Binomial classification is mostly used uh, when we have our outcome label, outcome feature, or when we have outcome feature with only two values like yes or no, 0 or 1. And multinomial classification is useful when we have two or more outcome values. Like in our case, we have a rating from 0 to 5, sorry, 0 to 4, 0 to 5, which is more than 2. So we use multinomial classification. Multinomial classification is in SVM. This is the accuracy scores for multinomial classification in SVM. SVM outperforms better than all the other algorithms that I have implemented before. The accuracy score of SVM is 73.5, and this is the confusion matrix for SVM, and this is the classification report for SVM. And then later we plotted the graph of all these four algorithms, and then this is the accuracy percentages, accuracy plot in percentage for all the algorithms like KNN for Navier, Random Forest, and SVM. Thank you.